Ladies, did you know that 80% of us are wearing the wrong size bra? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to measure your bra and what bra matches your breast type. Now ladies, of course there's several different ways to find out which bra size you are. There's several different ways that you can measure your bra, but in this video, we're going to go to the largest retail seller of lingerie and bras for ladies. So who better else to find out how to measure a bra than Victoria's Secret? So come along with us to Victoria's Secret and let's find out what the secret is.
I think it's too low in the back.
Well, no, it's good.
Oh.
The bra is gonna sit.
Okay.
Okay. Bring it right here to the largest part of the breast. Okay, just hold it there. Okay, I am getting you at a 36.
I want to.
This is. So what you doing, Erica? You hold
A little bit higher.
So where is she aiming at right now?
She's measuring at a 43.
No, I mean above her breast?
You need to, no, she needs to do it, yeah,
This way?
a little bit more tighter. Okay, bring it right here to the largest part of her breast. And let it go a little bit, and that's a tie in there, okay?
Okay.
That's good. I'm getting her at 38 double D.
Now how did you get to that
I thought it was 38.
when you did the count?
So she's gonna measure here at 38. And then when I get that number, I just go with the letter after that. It's gonna be A, B, C, D, whatever that.
Okay. Oh, I see.
38 double D?
Yes. You want to try that on?
I know.
Let's see what it look like.
No.
Let's see what it look like.
The time I can't.
Wait, what size bra? Which one? She said 38 double D?
Yeah.
So 38.
They don't have none.
Right there.
That's 32, ain't it?
That's 38 double D.
Oh.
That's it? That's your bra size?
38 double D.
Okay. Well, now you know. Can you get them in there? I'm just having fun with the video. So I'm the one above you, the 36D. Is that what she said?
I don't know what she said.
This is a normal size.
They didn't really pad it like that.
How come that looks bigger?
It is bigger.
Yeah, than what I am. That's what I'm saying.
That's what I feel like. I'm a 38C.
No, a lot of females wear the wrong bra and don't know it. So ladies, I know it's still confusing, so I'm going to have another Victoria's Secret employee show us how to measure our bras.
The first thing we're going to do is you're going to hold the number 1 with your left hand. Number 1 facing the opposite of you. Hold the number 1 with your left hand. With your free hand, you're going to be taking this into your underarms, all the way into your underarms, keeping the number 1 closest to you. With the number 1, we're going to be taking this up above the breast tissue, and then you're going to take the rest over, and then you're going to go as tight as possible, as snug as you can. So with me, I am at a 33, and once you find out your number, you're going to round down to the nearest even number, and we're going to round down, not up, round down, and that even number will be your band size. So don't go too tight here, just relax it. 1 to 2 fingers is fine enough, as long as the measuring tape is not draping on the sides. Make sure it's nice and parallel, okay? Now we're going to be taking this to the fullest part of the bust area, which almost lies between like the nipples. So fullest part of the bust, just like that. If you're looking right now, I'm at a 39. Keep in mind of the number of your bust and the number of your band. My band was a 33 and my bust is a 39. So for me, I landed at a 33. Each inch counts as a cup. A, B, C, D, double D, triple D. So there you have it. That is going to be your measurement. Now, measurements can be inaccurate. You know your body more than we do. Whatever makes you feel comfortable, it's your money, not ours. Get whatever you feel that is most accurate to you and your body. Another note that I want to add to this video is that this video is strictly for Victoria's Secret bras. The way we measure for our bras can be totally different to other bras. Please keep in mind that each brand has their own sizing guide chart. So for this specific video, this self-guided measurement is only for Victoria's Secret and Pink bras.
These are so cute. They said we could have these. Erica?
Yeah.
It's so pretty and it smells so good. So I guess it's the bombshell. The bombshell fragrance. They smell so nice. Now we're going to figure out the best bra for your breast type. So for the ladies with round shaped breasts, you can wear any style bras. Guys, you are genetically gifted. These are the ideal breast type. So you can wear any style bra. For the ladies with the side set breasts, these are called the separated twins, which means there's like more of a gap in the center. For this breast type, your best bra is the balconette bra, shown here in the photos. Next up, we have the east-west breast shape. These breast shape is similar to the ones you just seen. The ideal bra for the east-west girls will be the t-shirt bra. And what this does, it prevents like spillage from overflowing on the sides of your breast. It also gently pushes the breast towards the middle for a gorgeous cleavage. For the ladies with the pendulous shape breasts or saggy boobs, also known deflated boobs, these are extremely common and there's nothing to be ashamed about. The breast can become saggy from breastfeeding, from getting older, or just from rapid weight loss. For these type of breasts, it is really highly recommended that you go with a full coverage bra. So here are some suggestions on what the full cover bra will look like for the pendulous breasts. Now for the ladies that fall under the bell-shaped breast category, these breasts are round and full, but slightly bells out at the bottom. The ideal bra for this breast type, you actually can wear any bra styles, but a full coverage will be more ideal. But once again, you can wear any style bra. Now for the ladies with the athletic breast type, these breasts are wider, more muscular looking, and have less tissue. Ideally, the ideal bra is the balconette bra or any bra that is wireless. Now for the ladies with asymmetrical breasts, this is totally normal. Both breasts are not the same size. So for this breast type, you want to go with a spacer bra, and you also want to avoid any padded bra because a padded bra will just draw attention to the asymmetrical breast. You can also use concealing cups for the smaller breasts to give an illusion of symmetrical breasts. So the ladies that fall into the slender figure breast type, these ladies have a tendency to have longer breasts. They are fuller at the top and long, not wide. So a plunge bra is more suitable for this scenario. So underwire plunge padded bra will work best for a slender figure breast type. And now for the most common breast shape of them all. It's the teardrop breast shape or type. If your bosoms are slightly thinner at the top but round off to a perfect curve, then your breasts are teardrop shape. An underwire bra is more ideal for this type of breast shape. So try underwire bras that will gently lift your bosom and make them look rounder and fuller at the top as well. So guys, now we're heading to Burlington to pick out some bras. We're going to use the Victoria's Secret measurements Even though it's really specifically for their brand, we just want to see will it work for the bras that they carry here at Burlington. So right now we're heading to the lingerie department. Well, we're trying to see if they were right about the bra sizing.
That looks okay.
They're kind of ugly though.
I mean, the size you can put up to my chest like that.
No, this is my size.
Oh,
This one be 2.
that's cute.
I like these, Erica.
Play hard, work hard.
What? Play hard, work what?
Play hard, work hard.
Play hard, work hard. What does that mean? I don't want to work hard. I'd rather play. So yeah, we'll try. Is this a bra?
Sports bra.
But that will still let people know if it fit.
Yeah.
Okay.
I thought it was gonna push you up. I bought push-up bras. Okay, this is supposed to be my bra size. It looks like it's supposed to fit.
They look like they fit.
But I'm wearing a bra, so.
Yeah.
Okay. How much is that one? Oh, $10.99. These are 2. This is $30.60.
So
You want these? Instead of sports bra. $10.99.
I don't know why I think I like the sports bra.
They're cute, that's why.
But what you gonna do with the sports bra?
I used to wear them.
I mean, just wear them. You can wear them underneath your clothes.
Just wear it.
Okay. I wasn't sure.
Or you really don't when you extra.
That looks. I like these because they're lacy, Erica.
Yeah.
Why they all look alike?
Here's a push up. You see?
What are you trying to say?
360, right?
Yeah, but I don't want to look too sexy.
I'm wearing a push up.
You know what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying.
That's a C though.
This looks classier. You know what I mean, Erica?
Yeah.
I don't look
Yeah.
assy. I want to look classy. Does it make sense?
You don't look trashy.
That's what I'm saying. I don't want to look like that.
Why not?
In the video, I'm going to show the bra
I mean, why
in the
not?
fit.
You know what I'm trying to say.
Wait, I should keep that in there. What?
I mean, why
Miss
not?
Married, I can't show my boobs. How you doing?
Everything you found?
Yes, I sure did. So check out time right now. So guys, as you see earlier, I was measured in Victoria's Secret and they said my size was 30-60. So I did pick up 3 bras. This one, the pink one, is a 30-60, but somehow or another, these right here, they're actually, I picked up the wrong size. These are a 38D. I needed a 30-60. So straight off the bat, these are not the right size they told me. So we're going to try on the pink one, which is the 30-60, and they're only $7.99. The double, the black and the red, I'm going to have to take those back because they're the wrong size. We're going to try on the pink ones today and let you know if their measurements was correct and can I apply that to different brands other than Victoria's Secret. Because guys, look at the price of this one. $7.99. Okay, so I'm going to try this on and show you guys. So guys, these are absolutely my size. They fit perfect. There's no spillage, nothing hanging out. They fit perfect. They're absolutely my size.